This DC wire size interactive calculator helps engineers quickly determine proper wire sizing for DC electrical systems. The calculator has 5 calculation modes: find minimum wire size, calculate voltage drop, find maximum wire length, find maximum safe current, and calculate wire resistance. For this demo, I'll use Find Minimum Wire Size mode. Next, select your wire gauge from 18 AWG options ranging from 18 AWG down to 40 AWG. I'm selecting 10 AWG. Enter your current draw in amps. I'm entering 25. Input your system voltage in volts. I'll use 12. Specify your one-way wire length in feet, entering 20. Set your maximum voltage drop percentage. I'll keep it at 3%. Finally, enter your ambient temperature in Celsius, leaving it at the default 30 degrees. Click Calculate and the results appear instantly. The calculator displays your required wire size, actual voltage drop percentage, wire resistance, power loss, ampacity rating, and any safety warnings. These outputs help ensure your DC wiring meets both performance requirements and safety standards for your specific application. Find the link in the description below.